Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. New, Ultimate, Lightroom, and Photoshop. Agfa Film Collection offers many awesome presets. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. New, marvelous Lightroom and Photoshop preset collection features the best and most loved emulations of Agfa beautiful tones and magical tints. Classic and nostalgic, this new collection recreates the looks of traditional analog films. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These analog film styles are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. These presets will bring out amazing color and tone in your photos without compromising quality. From subtle enhancements to dynamic stylistic editing, Agfa Film Collection is ideal for outdoor photography and portraiture. Beautiful Agfa Film Collection features new XMP presets from the golden era of analog. With familiar fade and grid aesthetics, they capture the nostalgia of old childhood photos and are great for weddings and lifestyle photography. Do not miss the chance to get exclusive Agfa Film, Photoshop, and Lightroom preset collection.